This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Apple ID without losing any data. So this is very simple to do. I'm just going to use my iPad for example, but you can do the same way on your iPhone, or you can use a computer to do this. Because all we need to do is just go to iCloud.com. So just open up a web browser right here. So open up a web browser, and then actually we're not going to go to iCloud.com. We're going to go to appleid.com. So let's go to type in Apple ID.apple.com, or you can go to account.apple.com. You can see when I go to go, it's going to switch on over. Account.apple.com. Then just go to where it says sign in. So go to sign in right there. And if you're on your iPhone, you can use your Face ID. Now on here, I have to click and sign in with my password. So when you sign in with your password now, I'm just going to type in my password real quick. You can go ahead and just change your ID on here. So it's not going to be very apparent at first. So I have my password signed in. But you need to go to where it says change your email address and phone number. So just go to this option right here, and then go to minus symbol. Now it says change your Apple account. I think you need to change your email address completely. It says change your Apple account, new Apple account, enter a new primary email address, and a verification code will be sent to that email address. So you just type in your new account, and then you have to type in a new email address, and then you verify it. And you should be able to change it over without losing any data from your account. So your iCloud account, your contacts, everything should be the same. You just have a different email address and name. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out.